Today I'm going to show you how to create this nice neat edge for your knitting when you are knitting in stockinette. From the knit side, we are going to hold our working yarn tight like so, and then we are going to slip the stitch off our needles, creating a bit of an A when you look from it from above. We are then going to knit the rest of the row until the last stitch. When you get to the last stitch, you're going to purl this stitch. From the purl side, we're going to do exactly the same. We are going to hold our working yarn tight, and then we're going to slip that stitch, creating an A when you see it from above. We are then going to purl the rest of this row, including the last stitch. And there you have it. All you have to do is rinse and repeat now, and you'll get a nice, neat edge. Happy knitting! And if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will be very grateful. Thank you.